Adante Pointer. He's been watching in Sacramento, California. What's your take on the credibility of Mr. Washington on the stand and the questioning so far?
You know, this is the problem with using jailhouse snitches. You know, he's doing as a person of who he is. He's been in prison, state prison 7 years, back and forth to jail. He's doing a pretty good job with just trying to listen to the questions and answering them as forthright as he can. But the questioning is devastating because they're grinding into his character. He's been back and forth to prison. He wants to get out as quick as he can. He'll do and say anything he possibly can to reduce his own sentence. So I think it's devastating and a blow for the prosecution's case. Nevertheless, it is what it is, you know. They don't choose witnesses, the witnesses came to them, so.
Yeah, and it's setting up a who do you believe more, because they're going to bring in another inmate that claims that in the hole that Washington was bragging about jumping cases, and it becomes a wash, doesn't it? Or maybe not.
Well, you know, I think the jury is pretty interesting because they're learning about an inside world of jumping on cases and how this stuff happens. And yeah, I mean, the guy had to admit, I am an informant. This is what I'm here doing. So, you know, I'm here to help law enforcement, despite, having a long track record of being on the other side of the law. I just think it's a toss-up.
A toss-up. Is it a risk from the defense standpoint? You're bringing in another witness who's also supposedly going to supply some information to attack Washington. At the end, can you envision and close the defense saying they didn't have enough, they had to bring on these jailhouse snitches?
Yeah, I'd be very careful. You know, to me, if I'm the defense, I stay away from it. I think they undermined this guy's credibility. No need to bring in another person just to grind in this whole point again about what this person said. You know, I think you scored your points with this witness, you let it go. And plus, as I'm sitting here listening to this guy, I'm saying, why would the defendant admit to him?
Right. Why would a defendant, I never believed much of that. Adante Pointer, thank you so much. Appreciate your time on this Friday. Enjoy your weekend.